For over 60 years, the Matelli Group has been a leading player in the aftermarket sector, built on a journey defined by experience, growth, and success. Over time, the group has established a solid presence through a broad and well-structured offering, today capable of covering over 93% of the European vehicle park, with dedicated solutions across multiple product families. From this experience, the new timing chain range is born, a line developed to deliver quality, durability, and long-term reliability. The range also includes intermediate chains designed to connect the fuel pump to the camshafts and cam-to-cam drive chains developed for compact engine architectures. With over 160 references, we guarantee customers a complete range, offering various OE supply types and innovative products such as hollow pin chains. Each kit contains all the essential components for a full replacement of the timing system: chain, guides, tensioner, sprockets, VVT units, where applicable, as well as fitting accessories including fasteners, gaskets, and oil seals. The timing chain synchronizes the movement between the crankshaft and the camshaft, enabling the engine to correctly perform the 4 strokes: intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. The chain tensioner, thanks to oil pressure and an internal spring, maintains the correct chain tension at all times while the engine is running. The crankshaft and camshaft sprockets transmit motion to the chain and ensure correct engine synchronization. VVT phase variators adjust the camshaft angle to optimize engine performance, fuel consumption, and emissions. Everything needed to carry out a complete and correct replacement of the timing system. From Matelli Group quality comes the Graf Timing Chain Kit range. Complete kits designed to deliver reliability, precision, and lasting durability. Alloy steel chains, manufactured from selected materials and subjected to specific treatments, are designed to guarantee high mechanical strength, operational reliability, and a long service life even under heavy-duty operating conditions. Roller chains, reliable and tensile resistant, ideal for high-mileage engines. Morse-type inverted tooth chains, designed to reduce noise and vibrations, ensuring smooth and quiet timing operation. High VO chains, ideal for high-performance applications and heavy loads. This technology minimizes internal friction through a rolling pin system, enabling the management of higher torque loads with maximum thermal efficiency. The timing chain never works on its own. Its service life also depends on oil quality, vehicle operating conditions, and correct system maintenance. In modern engines, degraded oil compromises the correct functioning of the hydraulic tensioner. The result is a progressive elongation of the chain. Understanding these correlations means preventing failure and protecting the engine. With Graf Timing Chain Kits, the Matelli Group offers a complete, reliable solution designed to meet the needs of the aftermarket. Discover the Graf Timing Chain Kit range: quality, reliability, and a complete supply offering.